everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters1Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and I'll have her link down below. Hashtag 2Crafters1Design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Gloria, which is Girliest Cards, and UCYM and Diva, which is Lisa. Our theme for this week was apples. Next week's theme will be butterfly. So if you have any type of butterfly, you know that great migration is on its way. So I thought, hey, why not butterflies? And that was my theme for the week. So anyways, please join in on these challenges and make sure you use the links down below. So starting out, we have this beautiful card here. Let me just show you some of the things I used to create this card. So from Cards TV, which is Thankful for You, I just kind of used apples right there. And then from my creative time, I am using apron stamps, and I'm using that little 25-cent right there. And then from Die in My Stash, I just used some of these pieces right here. CC Designs, I am using just the, not CC Designs, but Elizabeth Crafts. I'm using the little grass around there. From Spellbinders, I am using the fluted rectangles. And from Honeybee Stamps, I'm using the Gingham Glore Fall paper pack, and I'm using that color right there. And then from Honeybee Stamps, once again, I am using the autumn dies and stamps, and it says Autumn Blessings again. So I thought that was the perfect sentiment to go with these apples, and I just thought that just turned out so cute. I absolutely love it. Oh, and these little gems here, they came from Honeybee Stamps as well. Forgot to bring those out, but love, love, love that. And there goes another apple. Oh, and I couldn't show you the apple die because Gloria cut these out for me. I think they were from the Greetery, if I'm not mistaken. And I didn't have that die, so I asked her to send me some of those apples, and she did. So thank you so much, Gloria. I love the impact these apples give, and they have that little slice. I just love that. And so, yeah, so if you have any apples in your stack, make sure you join in on the little challenge, and make sure you use the links down below and enter your creations. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.